Step into Stoney Ridge, your sleek, snug, and sparkling home set in the heart of Austin's vibrant energy. Choose from modern non-ensuites, en-suites, or one-bedroom apartments with private rooms and amenities designed for comfort. Depending on your choice, enjoy a cozy balcony to unwind, upgraded appliances for everyday ease, built-in bookshelves for your essentials, and an in-unit washer and dryer for breezy laundry days. Dive into the swimming pool to start your day, then wind down with a barbecue in the picnic area after study hours. With common laundry facilities, reliable on-site maintenance, and secure parking, convenience is built right in. Hey, check this out. St. Edward's University is just moments away on foot, and Houston Tillotson University is a quick drive away. All it takes is a blink to reach campus on time. With the buses on 3310 South 1st and 3361 South 1st right around the corner. Plus the tram from downtown station coursing through the city is easy. The student community at Stoney Ridge is waiting, so secure your spot today via amberstudent.com.